Okay, look.
Clase de spring roll.
Okay.
With Professora Tita Samson. Boy.
So we have to put this. Okay, see? 2 spoons should be enough. Boy, are you watching? Are you watching? Okay. Okay, do it. Okay. You should turn like diagonal, so somewhere like this. Yes.
That?
Diagonal, like a diamond. Okay, that's enough. Okay, boy, your turn. Okay, 2 spoons. Okay, very good. Okay, I think should add more. Okay,
Ooh.
that's a little. Okay,
okay.
that's fine. Okay, so spread it. I think that's too much for. Take out some. Okay, now spread it. Okay. Okay, look. This one, hold this. Make sure it's in the middle. Okay. And then cover like that. And then press down. And then pull back. Pull back some. Yes. Okay. No. Yeah. Okay. Yes, very good, but yours is very clean.
Ooh.
Your some is kind of messy.
Oh no!
Okay, look. And then this one, lock that both ends. Then the other side too. Hold. Okay, that's very good, boy.
Wow.
Boy is
Chef
very.
boy.
Oh, start here. Okay, fold it. Boy, some yours is so messy. Then very good, boy. Okay, now roll. So, oh, mine is ripped. Oh shit!
Hey,
Man,
language
sorry.
Tita.
Yes, yours, boy, is very good. Wow, very good. Mine has ripped. Ooh, teacher's bad.
For Tita.
Mine is rough. And then put some water at the edge to lock. Okay, more. Yeah, mine I have to fix it. Yeah, because I was waiting for so long. Okay, lock it properly. Make it tighter a bit. Okay, that's it. Very good. Okay. Yeah, we can put somewhere.
We need a plate.
Another.
You need to mix the pot.
Huh?
Main pot.
What do you think?
Hindi naman siya makakalaman.
Oh, that one is fine. Yeah. It's better to have double. Okay. I'll give you 2. Okay, this one. Yeah, this one.
Sa bawang na hindi ako isa pa.
Sa pawan? It's fine. That's fine. Where? Is it ready? Yeah, no, it's okay. Only one sam and then just have 1 stone. Give me that one.
One more.
There's no oil. Wait. Oh, I have done that. You can follow me his. Lolo's recipe done.
Chef Lloyd? Don't worry, we plan to make a video, YouTube video.
Yeah, you can make a YouTube video.
One of your best recipes.
What's your best, Lloyd?
We'll make it professional.
Your best, yes. What's your best? You will hit your best. What's your best? What's your best? For now? No, like the one in Philippines.
Cheating!
Just make it spicy. Just come here, faster.
Ow, cheese. Nadiri?
Oh,
Say hi to the vlog, Kuya Yun. Kay Tito Eri.
Hi vlog, welcome to my guys.
Faster, boy. Come on.